Cameron here, and today we're just gonna be playing a bit of this foot draft thing. I'm not gonna be playing this. I have a couple of packs here which I'm gonna open, and then a couple of lightning rounds. But first we'll play. I'll have a game of pack battles quickly. So yeah, let's hope I win. There we go. 4-3-2, not 3-4-2-1. Right. Oh, Vincent Kompany stood off the bar. Mohamed Salah. And Lloris. Mane. Fuck. Vinicius Jr. And Marco Royce. Who's this? David Silva. Alan Firmino. By the way, that music in the background was just my FIFA. Forgot to turn it off. Marco Royce. Douglas Costa. Mbappe. Right, I'm gonna have to pick up the pace here. Them three circles in the middle of in the screen there beside the time and them wee token things is like objectives that you can get to earn more points. You'll see at the end of this, or if you have the game, then you probably understand. But to be honest, I haven't really been lucky. So I haven't. See? He gets a fucking Antoine Griezmann. There we go. He got an icon. I'll probably get got Coutinho. Yeah, he's shite. Lloris, William, Fernando Torres. Fuck. Lucas Dang. João Felix. Alisson. How hard is it to get a 89 rated Bundesliga player? St. Maximum. Mbappe. Ferrari. Come on. Firmino. Yes. Ooh, Messi. Ooh. I literally just got that in time as well. Kompany, Alderweireld, and Lukaku. And if I get Rivaldo and William, this will Firmino, Sterling, Mahrez, Mane, and I'm 190. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, so if at the end of this game you get to pick which card you want to upgrade. So in this case, I'm gonna go for Callum Hudson-Odoi. There we go. And of course we get an advert. It needs to be like a remove ads. I wonder if there is a remove advert thing. I'll have a quick look here while I'll have a quick look. I'm not gonna about restore. Yeah, I think it's just restore that. That's something I don't want to do that. Right, okay, so let's get started with opening these packs in. We'll leave them to the end, so we'll do these. Kovacic. Samuel Umtiti. Pizzi. Gonna guess Pape. No Witzel. No Dembele. Team of the season. I don't even know. Walker. Oh no. I'll do these first. Manu Chiguaros. Let's see. Viviano. Griezmann. No. Martial. Yeah, I didn't have a clue who that was. Savage. Yes, right. Let's go for like elite packs. More than likely to get a walkout from one of these. Laporte. Pepe, no. Carvalho. Firmino. Ronaldo. M-Form. Nope. No walkouts. I don't even know how to pronounce his name. Right, let's get these special packs done now. Inform. French centre mid. Bakayoko. Ramos. No, Thiago Silva. Aubameyang. And Ficino. Laporte. No, Kante. And Immobile. And Isaac. And Zola. Yeah. 85 rated. Fuck me. So that's bad with bad. Okay, so the packs that we're gonna be opening is these ones and these ones because like they're the best ones to open. So I have 279k here and I'm just gonna sell all of that. Oh shit. Okay, I forgot. I actually have tokens I can spend. So I'll do these. Team of the season. Real Betis. Lo Celso. No, he's Argentinian. Canales. And Aubameyang. Nice. Ter Stegen. Right, where's that done? So I'll sell these. I don't think I'll have enough. Well then, this is gonna be shit. Not if I get like really good players that I already have. Please, yes. Deco. 85 rated Deco. Hamsik. Ecuador right mid Mana. Boatan. Fucking hell. Special tots pack. Open this. Chesney. And Pepe. Right. No, I don't have enough. Right, well, guys, this was just like a quick video, because I haven't uploaded like a gaming video in quite a while, so like I didn't know what to upload, so stay tuned for, well, I'm starting my daily vlogs again tomorrow, but be sure to go and watch my Champions League video that I uploaded earlier, so just so then you can pass the time, really. So yeah, peace out.